Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Subscribe and those notifications and give this a huge thumbs up. If you haven't done those 3 things, please do those 3 things. Let's get started with today's video. Today I'll be trying the sugar cookie mix to see what's the difference between the original sugar cookie, and let's get started with today's video. We'll be back once I'm done mixing. Okay. Now we're gonna put the butter. Okay. Now we're gonna put it for the oven for 10 minutes. We'll be back once we are done letting these cook. So we'll be back. Hi guys, so this is the cookie. As you can tell, the sugar cookie. Let's try it. It's pretty good. I give this a thumbs up. Subscribe and those notifications. I give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't done those 3 things, please do those 3 things. And the ingredients will be in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.